Hello again, toy car collectors. How's everybody doing out there today? So I got a couple of Johnny Lightnings I actually bought last week at the thrift shop. Same time that I bought the bag of slot cars I showed in the previous video. So yeah, these are all beat up packages. And all three of them were from a Buffy the Vampire Slayer set of cars that came out around 2000 or 2001. Anyways, first up, got a nice red Chevy convertible here. Not a bad looking car at all. Red seats. White walls, rubber tires. Copper front grille. So yeah, pretty cool. I'm not buying any new Johnny Lightnings. I think they've just gotten too expensive. Unless it's something I really had to have, but I still see quite a few, come across quite a few older ones that I can get fairly cheap like I did with these three. And I think that's the way to go for me and the Johnny Lightnings in the future, you know. So anyways, there's the 57 Chevy convertible. This is the one that really caught my eye, the Citroen. And I actually had this car loose, or still have this car loose from before that I bought loose. But the one I bought loose, there's something wrong with the back axle and it just doesn't sit right. So it's nice to have a really clean example. Even though this is the rusted out version of this casting. That's a beautiful car. And definitely one I'd be interested in getting more variations of. Yeah, that Citroen, that's super cool. Yeah, excellent car. And the last one I found is a total new one to my collection. And that is the DeSoto. And that's an awesome looking car. Gotta love the fins and all the chroming. You know, all these 50s era cars. Got a green interior. Interesting. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with these three. And with the bag of slot cars I found the same day. That's why I try to go to my thrift shops. Find some good stuff there now and again. Money goes for a good cause. It's a win-win all around. Thanks for watching, everybody.